Even though it wears a plus-size closet, the 2024 Audi S8 handles curves like a much smaller sporting activities car. Based upon the A8 luxury car, the S8 ups the ante with technique efficiency attributes such as rear-wheel guiding and a torque vectoring rear differential to accomplish taking care of heroics. In addition to all that, it swaps the A8's V6 for a twin-turbo V8 with 563 horsepower. The roomy cabin is suitable for unwinding while covering fars away, so you get the most effective of both globes. A host of sophisticated features supplies plenty of chance for connection, but if you intend to ignore the outdoors, there's no better means to do that than to open it up and let that V8 sing. The S8's athleticism is uncommon in the big high-end sedan sector, and its only actual rivals are the Maserati Quattroporte Trofeo and the Mercedes-AMG S63, both of which price quite a bit much more. Like the routine A8 sedan, the S8 obtains an app-based remote start function for 2024 in addition to a new suite of applications designed to enhance access to entertainment and navigating. Or else, the S8 is unchanged for the 2024 version year. That six-figure beginning cost is high, but the S8 comes well appointed even by luxury vehicle requirements. We'd suggest the comfort and also bundle as it includes heated rear seats, a leather-wrapped control panel, a head-up screen, and fancier LED headlamps. The exec plan is likewise attractive and comes with blind spot surveillance, adaptive cruise control with lane keeping help, and 21-inch wheels. The S8's single-engine selection is a powerful one, a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine making 563 horsepower and 590 pounds-to-foot of torque. Four-wheel drive is standard, and the transmission is an 8-speed automatic. Audi claims a top speed of 155 miles per hour, and there are fuel-saving systems, as well, consisting of cylindrical tube deactivation and a mild hybrid arrangement with a tiny electric motor and battery. At our examination track, the S8 blasted to 60 miles per hour in simply 3.2 seconds. An energetic suspension system can control each wheel individually to enhance experience top quality, and it is tuned in different ways than that of the basic A8, supplying enhanced cornering prowess, thanks to decreased body roll. Audi additionally includes tools such as a torque vectoring rear differential and rear wheel steering to raise agility. Powerful carbon ceramic brakes are optional.